Hey there, web explorers. Today we're diving into the world of website creation. We'll be using the fantastic trio of HTML, CSS, and a touch of JavaScript. Our mission? To build a sleek website complete with a navigation bar, smooth scrolling, and a responsive contact section. Get ready to learn, build, and impress. First things first, HTML will be the backbone of our website, providing its structure and content. Think of it as the blueprint. Next up, CSS will be our design superhero. It'll make our website visually appealing. Finally, JavaScript will add a sprinkle of interactivity, making our website more dynamic and engaging. Now, let's talk about CSS Grid, our secret weapon for creating awesome layouts. Imagine a grid system, like a spreadsheet, where we can place our website elements precisely where we want them. We'll be using it to create a responsive contact section that adapts beautifully to different screen sizes. Excited? Let's get started. Our first mission is to build the navigation bar, the guide for our website visitors. It'll stay put at the top even when we scroll. We'll use HTML to create the structure and CSS to style it. First, we'll use HTML to create the nav bar with a container, a logo, and menu items. We'll have links for home, services, portfolio, contact, team, and about. For drop-down menus, we'll nest additional lists within the main menu items. Now, let's add some CSS magic to style our nav bar. We'll give it a background color, style the logo, and position the menu items. We'll also style the drop-down menus to appear on hover. With our nav bar in place, let's build the different sections of our website: home, services, portfolio, contact, team, and about. Each section will have its own unique content and maybe even some cool images. We'll use HTML to create the structure for each section and give them each an ID for easy navigation. Inside each section, we can add headings, paragraphs, images, or anything else we need to showcase our content. Now let's add some CSS styling to make our sections visually appealing. We can experiment with different background colors, fonts, and spacing to create a unique look and feel for each section. We can even add background images to make them more engaging. Let's add that touch of JavaScript magic to make our navbar links smoothly scroll to their respective sections. We'll use a simple JavaScript function to achieve this. Now, clicking our navbar links will smoothly take us to the corresponding sections, a small touch for a better user experience. Our final challenge is to create a responsive contact section using the mighty CSS Grid. This section will have two columns, one for contact information and the other for a map. We'll make sure it looks great on both portrait and landscape orientations. First, let's structure our contact section using HTML. We'll have a container div and two columns inside, one for contact info and the other for the map. Now let's unleash the power of CSS Grid to create our responsive layout. We'll define a grid with two columns, and we can adjust the column widths for different screen sizes using media queries. This setup ensures that on larger screens our contact info and map sit side by side. As the screen shrinks, like on a phone, they stack neatly, ensuring readability and a clean look. And that's it. We've successfully built a website with a cool navbar, smooth scrolling, and a responsive contact section. Feel free to play around with the code, add more content, and make it your own. Happy coding.